Where is EBET going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on EBET stock? In this video, I'm going to cover technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all below 2 minutes time. And to do all of this, I'm going to use my strategy that has previously gotten me 300 plus wins in the last 7 months. So, where is EBET heading next? This is a question that everyone wants an answer to, and we're going to be covering, and I'm going to be giving you my 2 cents because I've made these videos like 12,000 times. You can just check how much videos I made on this YouTube channel. You can also just check out my wins that I've documented. I actually started documenting it from the last 7 to 8 months. So yeah, that's the case right there. And now, what's my opinion with EBET? Right. From my previous experience, following the trend is the best thing you can ever do. Right. I've been doing that, seeing a huge success with that, and with that in mind, because the price is going down, even in this past prediction. This is the video link proof. I was bearish. The price ever since then has gone down as low as like 97%. It's crazy. All called out on my YouTube channel. I was just expecting a little downside moves. I'm not saying I was expecting this much downside moves, but it definitely kind of ran. Okay, so what's my prediction with EBT right now? So I had a little rule and I'm still following that rule. If the price starts to break below this point, I'm expecting it to continue to little lower. This is the exact same situation right now. Although kind of went up, maybe we can come maybe to like 8 cents or whatever. My idea is still expecting these lows to get cleared. So I'm going to keep looking at it, keep observing, and I'm going to be updating you with this prediction. So this is my opinion. If you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, check out the first link in the description. It's 100% free.